capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be. From the back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
You could lie, but lying only buys you so much time. You could hurt, but hurting's never gonna make it fine. You could shake, but try and shake it off all you can. You might fake, it's never gonna make you understand. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. This is real, as much as anything you'll ever feel. Not that safe without those pretty secrets you conceal. Could be hell, you're shutting someone up that knows you well. Tear you apart, pull you from the end back to the start. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. And life will smile to you. I say life will smile to you. I once stood where you stand now with no end in sight. I was lost, but if it's worth the win, it's always worth the fight. It's always worth the fight, yeah. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. It's true. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. Your life could smile to you.
I can try. You let me without lies. I am bleeding. Who am I? The stories that aren't mine. What I did to achieve you gave me air. Thought I had to. I'm untrue. It's not pretty. The truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Guess you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know say I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you